Good day, Mr. Yasan. So, I am Gian Kartokib. So, now I'm going to show you the derivative of trigonometric functions. Sinsya na sa agin ako, miss. Bati jud. So, first atagog ko ng given. So, y equals kana x squared cosine x plus 2x sine x minus 2 cosine x. So we have the given equation or function. We are required to find the first derivative of the given function. So let us differentiate both sides of derivative of y. So y prime equals, this is y. So atong first term is, we have two factors, so gamit taog product rule diri. So using the product rule, copy the first term, so x squared. So the derivative daw sa cosine x, so derivative sa cosine is, first is negative sign negative sine x, and then multiply the derivative of u. So the derivative of x is 1 plus, copy the second term is cosine x, then the derivative of first term, which is 2x. So next is plus, again this is product rule, so this is 2, we have 2x and sine x, so kopya sa first term, which is 2x, derivative sa second term, which is cosine x, so multiply sa derivative of x, so which is 1, kopya sa sine x, derivative of 2x, so which is 2. Next is minus 2, derivative sa cosine x is negative sine x. The derivative of the x is, which is 1. Next is simplify sa nato before ta mag-combine like terms. So y prime now is negative x squared sine x plus 2x cosine x plus 2x cosine x plus 2 sine x, negative, so which is positive, so plus 2 sine x. So combine lang terms na ta, so y prime now is equals to negative x squared sine x. Okay, wala naman siya kapareho dali. Magapareha kay kanira 2x cosine og 2x cosine x. So plus 2x plus 2x equals 4x cosine x. So 2 plus 2 equals 4 sine x. So we have our final answer here. So this is my final answer of the given of how to find the derivative of trigonometric functions. So that's all. Thank you. Good day, Mr. Yasan. So today's video, I'm going to make a tutorial video about how to find the derivative of algebraic function. So before I start, I'm going to put the important note. So these are my important notes. So d over dx of y is always equal to dy over dx. Next is dy over dx is always equal to y prime. And y prime is pwede ra f of prime of x. So, start na ko sa akong given. So, this is my example number 1. So, y equals x raised to the power of 4 minus 3x cubed plus 15x squared minus 3x plus 10. So, ang una pa na to is the derivative of y. So, which is, kaning y, kani atong gamiton na formula. Kani. So, ang sunod kay x raised to the power of 4. So, ang gamiton to sa formula sa ari sa side na x raised to the power of 4 is d over dx of x n equals to nx n minus 1, where n is not equals to 1. So, mano saan itong gamiton sa x raised to the power of 4. So, kanina term na negative 3x raised to the power of 3 og 15x squared is kanina itong gamiton na formula. D over dx of cxn equals ncx raised to the power of n minus 1, where n is not equal to 1. So, next is, ang negative 3x, gamit na to na formula is the d over dx of cx equals c. Sa plus 10 kani, ang gamit na to na formula is d over dx of constant equals 0. So, ari na ta sa solving part. So, these are my solution. So, d over dx equals to, of y is equals to d over dx. Copy the exponent x raised to the power of 4. Next is negative d over dx of 3x cubed. Next is d over dx of 15x squared. Next is d over dx is of 3x plus 10 d over dx of 10. So, muna ta sa atong first part. So, ano ta sa second part. So, d over dx is equals to, so 4x equals to 4x 4 minus 1 raised to the power of 4 minus 1 minus 3 times 3x raised to the power of 3 minus 1 plus 2 times 15x raised to the power of 2 minus 1 minus 3 plus 0. So, start na ta. So, start sa kwan. So, the dy minus dx, dy over dx equals to, copy, 4x. So 4 minus 1, so raised to the power of cube na siya, 3. So minus 3 times 3 equals 9. X 3 minus 1 equals 2. So plus 2 times 15 equals 30. 30x. So 2 minus 1 equals 1 to, dili na ta mabot na 1 diri kay x is nanan say 1 daan diri. So kaya na siya, di na pwede, di na siya dapat ibot ang 1. So minus 3 plus 0, so minus 3. So this is my final answer.